In this guide, we are going over how you can use codes here in Bizarre Lineage. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, whether it happens, in the beginning of the video, later on in the video, just let us know. But obviously, before we get into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. So first things first, codes do work a little bit differently. Obviously, you could just open up these settings and you'll see there's no code option on here to actually redeem codes. And once again, if you open up this menu, you're not going to see anything either. You actually have to open up the chat. Once you open up the chat, go ahead and type in exclamation mark, code, and then space, whatever the code is going to be. So for example, you could do exclamation mark code 30k likes, spelled exactly like that. Hit enter, and then of course you'll go ahead and get that. Just keep in mind you do have to be in the group and like the game to redeem codes. From here, you could also go ahead and do something like exclamation mark code 100k likes. That'll get you that as well. Exclamation mark code shutdown also works right now, so go ahead and do that. And then of course exclamation mark code space 1 week also works. Once you type in all those, you should be good to go. It's a super easy way to redeem codes. I actually like this system more than others. But yeah, if you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.